Welcome to the online version of Media Arts. Here is our hub page. You'll see announcements here of importance, and over here we have some information that you might need, what we did on the orientation. And if you have a question that pertains to the whole class, you want to post it right here. So you just click on that and create a question and people can comment on it. Alright, so up here you have your basic icons. We do have a Vimeo channel here which we're going to be uploading all our videos to. Here's some more information about how to film, and here's our MS Teams link. And this little guy, you can open up some more, your email and class list. So under content, we've got some basic stuff of the curriculum and the course outline, but we do have an important thing called the Media Arts Survey. I'd like you to fill that in as soon as possible so you can tell me what type of technology you have at home and what software you have to use at home. That's really important. And then here's some tutorials, Photoshop, Premiere, After Effects, and then some information here about cameras. Alright, so here we go with the pixelation, which is our first little project. So you're going to be watching, reading this carefully and watching the examples. And so this explains how to make a stop frame animation. So stop frame is basically you take a picture with your camera or your iPad and then take another picture, but first make a small change. And then you speed up all of the pictures on a timeline, either of iMovie or whatever program you're using. So you change the duration of each picture so that it runs quickly and like a movie. And then you have to use non-copywritten music. So here's some options here. There's lots of options out there, but it needs to be a Creative Commons. And here we have some examples. And then down here we have some student examples. So here's a stop frame animation using a whiteboard. Here's one using Photoshop. This is one where the person has just changed their clothes. Here's a plasticine one. You can use pretty much anything to make a stop frame. Sticky notes, dolls, action figures, toys of any kinds, games. You can move the Scrabble pieces around or whatever game you're playing. Monopoly. You can even do hand-drawn ones or draw things on the computer, Photoshop. So this is hand-drawn here. This is also hand-drawn. So over here you'll see, well, this is how they made Tuttley Putley, which is a famous stop frame. But here is the pixelation assignment for the kids who are in class, and here is the one for the kids who are at home. So you're going to produce a 30-second stop frame animation. Use your phone or your iPad to take the photos. So you're going to add title and credits and music, and 30 seconds does include all of this. So you can use iMovie or download this Stop Motion Studio in the Apple Store. And you can also use Movie Maker. You're going to upload your creation to our Vimeo Grade 10 group, which is here. And here's all the requirements. 30 seconds, Creative Commons music, title at the beginning, name of the editor and music credit, and other people who helped at the end. And it all has to be original images. No internet images allowed. And be creative. So all you need is a small change to make it happen, to make it good when you take your pictures. If it tells a story, that's great. It'll probably just have sort of a theme attached to it. Because it's only 30 seconds. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, so that's your first project. And you can start working on that. Oh, another thing, you should make sure that your camera is in the same position for the whole sequence. So you can't move your camera. Your camera has to be steady and still. So you can prop it up with books or mark where you've got the camera and make sure it's in the same place again. Otherwise, when you look at your pictures, it's going to be all wonky and it'll make you seasick. So it's real important to keep your camera in the same place. Okay, and I'm just an email away, or we can meet in Teams. If you've got some other problems, you can show me what you're doing. All right. Okay, have fun.